Coming? Oh, it's cold and dark. Let's see if the sled starts. Mine's 35. Cold start. It'll go.
What?
It'll go. Woo! That's the trick. Don't hammer on your starter too long. You'll overheat it. Give it a second. Sort itself out. Boom. Okay. Welcome to Hotel Fish in the Arctic. Doing a little trial run. Ran into heater issues in the middle of the night. But yeah, a little bit panicky when you have a 2-year-old and a 6-year-old and your wife. Sorry about the spilling coffee. So we buried the propane tanks in snow. I just unburied them. I'm starting to pack up. Here it is. It's the ice fishing shack. We filmed a segment, Fish'N With Zoe, using the Panoptics. This is a rough day catching fish. We're a little bit off the spot. I set up here, I mapped it out, but I don't know, I should have moved just a little bit closer to shore. We're at 37, I think I wanted to be more around 30. But, them's the brakes. Oh yeah, and it's minus 34, no big deal. I gotta make this thing go away. There, all packed up. It's only a bazillion minus degrees out. Stick your tongue on that sucker. Do it, I dare you. There it's stuck. It's gonna get stuck. Take my word for it. It's not good to have a metal zipper up here. Tip of the day. Tuck your metal zipper in. Get stuck to your lip or your tongue, it hurts. Yeah. Remember that movie? You stick your tongue to the metal post? Yeah. Same deal. It comes off, but it hurts. Anyway, we're all packed up. I don't think you can see anything. What we're gonna try, we got a frozen GoPro. I can't even talk. And the rig, the auger. The Arctic Nomad's all packed up. It's not as neat and tidy as it was coming out, but she's packed, ready to go. We're gonna do a buzz around the toboggan. Make sure we didn't forget anything. All the straps are tied down. Auger's clipped on. Bag. Oh, gotta close the bag. Where our gloves gotta go. Helmet hasn't fallen yet. Our jacket on. Ready to rip. Anyway,